WordPress starter theme for Pinegrow can help you speed up developing custom WordPress themes. It has lots of ready-made WordPress template files like home, blog, single, comments, image galleries, contact forms, page templates, and so on. Also shop pages for WooCommerce and easy digital downloads store. Let me show you how to use WordPress starter theme to quickly build your own custom WordPress themes. WordPress starter theme is a plugin for Pinegrow. So first we have to load it with Manage Libraries and Plugins, Load Plugin, and then we select the file from the download package, so Pinegrow plugin, PG plugin starter theme JS, add, OK, and the plugin is loaded. And we have to do this only once. And now when we do new page, here we have WP starter theme, and we can select one of WordPress templates to start our new project. So let's choose Home HTML. We have to save the page and create a new folder for the theme. Now Pinegrow loaded this folder as a project. And besides Home HTML, a couple of other required files were copied to the project. One is index.html, which is the main page and the master page of our theme, where we also have to configure our WordPress site information. So we select this element and go to WP, and here we give the theme a name, a slug, and we select the folder for the export. This is usually inside the WP content themes folder of our local WordPress installation. Pine test, create, and now we are ready to export the theme. So go to WordPress, export the theme, and let's go to WordPress admin. Here it is. Let's activate it and check out the site. And here it is. And now we can go back to Pinegrow, and we can either add new pages to our theme, and we can select between WordPress templates. We also have support for Jetpack and WooCommerce and easy digital downloads. So let's add an online shop to our theme. We just add the WooCommerce page and export the theme. Let's check it out in the browser. Here is our shop link, and our shop is ready. And of course, the idea of starter theme is that you use it as a basis for creating your own custom WordPress themes. That's why the styling of the page is minimal. There is no CSS bloat, only the styles which are required by WordPress, and we can use this as a foundation to easily change and build upon and create custom projects. And maybe you notice that certain parts are more transparent, And the reason is that for content parts we are using WordPress content parts in connection with Pinegrow components. So what is that? So if you are familiar with WordPress, then you know if you define a template part, this section is exported into a separate PHP file that is then included throughout the template at various places where this code is needed. In Pinegrow, we extend template parts with Pinegrow's smart components. So we link them together. So if we check the lib panel, we see here we have a bunch of template parts listed among components of our project. And because they are components, we cannot just edit them where they are used. We have to edit them in a place where they are defined. So let's go to definition of the article or post type used on home, and here it is on the lib page. And the lib page contains definitions of all template parts used in this theme. And if we want to make a change, we can easily do it here. So let's change the order. Let's put this down here. And then we update components. And if we check home, we notice that the layout updated here. So maybe at first glance this looks a little bit awkward, but it's a very powerful way to organize your projects. For example, if we would use this content block on many different template pages, we would just change it here and all the changes would be automatically updated in all the places where this component or template part is used. And that's very powerful. But imagine that you don't want to use Pinegrow components. You want to keep things very simple. So it's very easy to get rid of them. So just select the component instance on the page, then go to Act. Here we have Use Component, and we will disable it. And then in WordPress, you can even disable using template parts. So just remove this. And now this is an isolated code that you can simply go ahead and modify without affecting any other parts of your theme. Let me show you one more thing. In this project, index.html is the master page. So if we see like the site content, that's the actual content of the pages. But everything else is defined in the master page, and that's navigation, header, and footer. And you can use different master pages in the project. And we have the second master page ready made, and it's called small header, because on some pages you don't really want to display a full header, just need small one. And the name of this template is small header. If we check how it is defined, here we have define master page. And then let's say we want to use it on our shop page. Just go to WordPress site, action, and here instead of index as a master page we will use small header. And now go and export the theme, reload the shop, and here it is, our narrow header. And starter theme is also a very good place to learn about how to structure projects in Pinegrow. and how to use various WordPress actions, components, template parts, master pages. So it's a great place to learn about WordPress and Pinegrow as well.